Hello, this is Johnny. So today we demo how the Python can help you for your business applications. So today we explain Python can help you with the quick like BI dashboard development. So we have many BI dashboards such as Tableau and all the other one I forgot a lot like QuickSight. From the AWS and also Power BI, etc. And also you can use Excel. So Python can help you to do the quick BI dashboard. Then you can move on to the advanced tool with the real time, with more bigger data, with more efficiency. So today we have demo. The data is used from the licensing, consulting, lawyer. So in this company, we usually have the client, and with the most data with the hours we charge, we consulting them, right? So we have like a step is like we do the fetch data from step 1 and 2 and 3, and please allow me to skip because it's too much technical. I want to focus on how Python can help you. So once we have go through 1, 2, 3, then let's jump to the dashboard. So first we have the after 1, 2, 3 we have the data like each client and client ID and each project with different hours and the total hours. Then we can plot with this simple total hours. So you can also break down by two projects. One is compliance and also the descending mode, and the other projects as well. So you can have a good idea how each client can reflect each other. For example, the client 1 have most total hours around 10, and we want to know which project it reflect most impact. So it's the project compliance client 1, right? 10 hours. And we want to check which project have the most specific project have the much higher, which is client 2, etc, etc. Okay, we also can make the data we collect from May to May 13 right now, because today is May 14. So we always query the data from the beginning of the month and the yesterday of the today. Okay, then let's move on to the demo 2. So once you got the top 3 client, you want to emphasize in analyze in much detail, then we can do is like we can break down to the daily each day. So we can plot like this. So you can see like the grade one, how to say, the client 1, the blue one here. So you can have this style is not good. Let me check the much this one. Okay, anyway, so let's check like the client 1 with the compliance. See, so you can see the distribution is on this day and this day and this day and this day. So you can get an idea how the client distribution from in your company. So I hope you this tutorial inspire you. Thank you. Ciao.